Yorana. At the end of the year, it is natural for me to look back and reflect on the year gone by. 2019 has offered me a lot of challenges, excitements, wins, losses. It was a year full of life lessons. 2019 was a year of taking risks, and I learned so much from them. Despite all this, I cannot be proud enough of the work that has been done. My team and I have worked very hard, and I'm proud of what we have accomplished. I feel deeply blessed as through my spiritual journey this year, God gave me strength and wisdom, and I truly believe that nothing would have happened without having that daily connection with Him. 2019 was a success. Yes, because I have a great team, I have great partners, I have great supporters, I have a family that cheers me on, I have people that gave me so much love. This year was a success also because of you who is watching. You all inspire me and push me to accomplish all these things. Thank you so much for trusting me, for trusting my team, my company. I learned so much. Because of you, I am so grateful. 2019, what did we do? Well, we organized the first Oritati educational event, a seminar offered to all the passionate of the Tahitian culture. We brought 4 masters from Tahiti, Hinatea from the Ariol Cultural Center, Teki and Lorenzo from Le Grand Ballet, Steve Chailloux, a Reo Tahiti professor, cultural expert. We traveled to 3 different cities in California, San Francisco, Orange County, and San Diego. We had close to 150 participants, from group leaders, parents, dancers, to musicians. This event was a success, and we will come back again next year. We organized multiple group trips to the islands of Tahiti and other islands of the South Pacific. Our biggest group had over 180 people. We booked several individual reservations, and we can't thank you enough for your business. We attended multiple cultural events here in US and Tahiti, whether it was a festival, trade show, travel conference, seminar, dance competition. We were everywhere on the field. We went on tour in different cities and met so many wonderful people. We work all year long with La Maison de la Culture, Te Whare Tauhiti Nui, with the promotion of the Hura Tapairu Manihini, a dance contest for small formation in Tahiti. We traveled to Tahiti to attend the event and organize meetings with the Minister of the Culture, the Director of the La Maison de la Culture, and the Director of the Conservatory of French Polynesia, and many other representatives of the Tahitian culture. We launched the first online platform where you can learn Tahitian language, the Reo Tahiti, for English speakers, a platform called Polylingual. I am very, very proud of this product. I worked very, very hard to make this happen. I spent the last 7 months working on the lessons, translations, working with students, helping them speak Tahitian. I work along with some Reo Tahiti professors from Tahiti and did my best for this online platform to be a success. Today we have more than 200 students from all over the United States. Some are from France, Europe, and Canada. I am deeply, deeply grateful for this outcome, and my joy comes from the fact that I am able to share my own culture to the world. This is definitely a blessing. This year, we also met with the authorities of the government of French Polynesia, the Minister of the Culture and the Minister of Tahiti Tourism. We were very pleased to sit down with them and share with them our projects and our goals for 2020. The best moment was to share the same passion that we have in common, the love of our culture and the sharing with the world. I am personally blessed to be supported by the authorities of the government of Tahiti and can't wait to move forward and accomplish all the projects we have in mind for the future. We sent hundreds and hundreds of people to Tahiti in 2019 to attend multiple cultural events like the Hura Tapairu Manihini organized by La Maison de la Culture, the Oritati Nui competitions by Tumata and Manouche, and the Oritati Nui training course organized by the Conservatoire Artistique de Polynésie Française. We are thankful to work with these organizations as we believe these events are worth to attend. Many people from all over the world invest themselves just to be there in Tahiti during that time. So thank you, la Maison de la Culture, le Conservatoire de Polynésie Française, Tumata, Manouche. Thank you so much for working along with us this year. We organize a couple cultural events here in Southern California with some dance groups from Tahiti. For example, Yaorana Tahiti, under the direction of Eva Gruazel. We also organize Ori Tahiti workshops with the group Nona Here under the direction of Matani Kainuku, that we thank very much. We attended the first edition of the Tahiti Tourism Conference here in LA. It was a great pleasure for me to attend this event and meet all the travel professionals from all over the United States. And of course, meet all of our suppliers and the Tahiti tourism team based here in LA and the team from Tahiti. It was such a great event. Can't wait to attend the next one. Whew, this was definitely a crazy year, but fulfilling. Next year, 2020, I already love what's coming ahead, and I am super excited about next year. My agenda is already packed with events, workshops, trips, seminars, trainings, new launches, new partnerships. I just can't wait to tell you all about it in January. But for now, I can give you a glimpse of what's coming up for 2020. So the second edition of the Ori Tahiti educational event will take place again next year here in US. Woo! It will take place in the month of May 2020. So mark your calendar. We will bring this to you. We'll bring new Tahitian masters from Tahiti. Get ready to learn and educate yourself. This is important. Knowledge is power. Polylingual, or online Tahitian language course platform. We will launch some additional tools, courses for you to learn Tahitian quickly. Possibly the launch of a dictionary app with Tahitian words and English words, which is non-existent till this day. We will bring this to you next year. And drum roll, please! We will also launch our online courses in Tahitian and Japanese and French. Yes, we're planning to launch that by summer 2020. So people from Japan and France can also learn Tahitian language from the comfort of their home. So get ready for it. It's coming to you next year. What else we have for the next year? Well, in March, April 2020, we will send groups to Tahiti to attend the Heiva International by Matani Kainuku. In June, there will be the Ori Tahiti Nui training course by the Conservatoire. Then in November, we will have the third edition of the Hura Tapairu Manhini, the Ori Tahiti Nui competition, and another session of the Ori Tahiti Nui training course. So get ready, save your money, so you can attend all these events. Okay, this is the last one for today. I will share the rest in January. 2020, we will launch new cultural trip packages for New Zealand, Hawaii, Samoa, and Cook Islands. We will organize group trips for people who would like to get a full experience and immersion through the culture and traditions of each islands of the South Pacific. So many of you have asked about this. We are excited to organize that for you. Let me give you an example. If you would like to learn more about the Maori culture, we will make this happen for you. We will organize your trip to New Zealand. You will connect with people from local communities that offer cultural immersion programs. This is very exciting and I cannot wait to bring this all to you. That's it for now. I won't say much for 2020. Stay connected with us. We will share all the details in January. Thank you, everyone. It is with the utmost gratitude that I reach out to you to say Maururu, merci, thank you. Thank you for the wonderful year. Thank you for your trust. Thank you for your friendship. Thank you for choosing Porinetia. Thank you for choosing our team, for helping you get what you need the most in your life. My team and I look forward for another wonderful year, and I wish a happy holiday season and prosperous new year. Yaoranai te mateti api. Bonne fête et bonne année à tous. Happy holidays and Happy New Year 2020. Ya nui te aroha. Maruru, nana.